Grave robbing in Texas. Is this ours?
American history. The Texas Chainsaw Massacre. One of the most bizarre crimes of the annals of American history. The Texas Chainsaw Massacre.